Hello friends, good evening. This is Subi from SMBSS English Academy, Gursanayam. Today is 2nd of May. As we all know, the lockdown has increased. So everyone stay in your home and be happy and healthy. Today my topic is Introduction to 3D Shapes. Today I will introduce you all by 3D figures. I will give you live examples. First one is cube. There are many examples of cube like dice, sugar cube, ice cube, and look here, there are 6 faces in a cube, 12 edges and 8 vertex. I will tell you why this. Here you all are looking, this is a dice, and we all know there are 6 faces in a dice. 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this way there are 6 faces and 12 edges. One, two, three, 4. In the same way there will be 4 edges here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2 is 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12. So there will be 12 edges and there will be 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The volume of cube equals the cube of side. It means side multi side. Second one is cuboid. There are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex in a cuboid like cube. The example of cuboids are matchbox, almirah. I have a matchbox and I will tell you there will be 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and there will be 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this one 9, 10, 11 and 12, and there will be 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Volume of cuboid equal L multi B multi H, length multi breadth multi height. This is also called rectangular prism. Next one is cone. The example of cone are ice cream cone, joker's cap, clown's cap. There is one flat face in cone, one curved face, one edge and one vertex. I have a birthday cap. I will tell you. There is one flat face, this is one curved face, this is one curved face and one edge, this one, and one vertex, this is here. Volume of cone 1/3 multi pi r square h. R equal radius and h equal height. Next one is cylinder. The example of cylinder are gas cylinder, roller, pipe, and etc. There are 2 flat faces, 1 curved face, 2 edges, and 0 vertex. I mean no vertex. I have a box that is in cylindrical form. There are 1 and 2 flat face, and this one is curved face. There are 2 edges that meet 2 curved face. There are 2 edges and no vertex. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. The last one is sphere. The example of sphere are ball, football, tennis ball, globe, orange. There is 1 curved face in sphere and no edges and no vertex. I have a ball. This is the ball. Only 1 curved face in it, no edges and no vertex. The volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. This is enough for today. Everyone, please, my topic is finished. Be protective in your home. Thank you very much.